Success Champ awardees, I want to pat yourself on the shoulder for the determination, perseverance, and hard work you have done to reach this significant milestone. As we step into another adventure, I hope we never forget the lessons we have learned and continue to grow. We may never know what the future holds, but one thing I am sure of is that we will make the most of it. No matter how bumpy the road is, we will get through it. To all third-year students, mates, as the common final examination approaches, may we never forget the experience that molded us. One semester is left, and next year will be the last battle of our college journey. And I am confident that can achieve this. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to these people who have supported me throughout my journey. To my ever-beloved and supportive parents who have been with me every step of the way. Mama, Papa, no words can express how much I love you. I may not be showing to both of you, but I am beyond grateful and lucky to have you in my life. There are so many things that I am thankful for. Your life-changing pieces of advice, endless sacrifices, unconditional love, and unwavering support in everything I do. This guidance has molded me and shaped me into who I am today. This achievement of mine is yours as well, and I hope I made you the proudest. To this special woman, you know who you are. Thank you for making me feel loved, understood, and seen. Even though we're not in an official couple, girl, but I never have one like you. Even though we just met, but it feels like I have known you for years. Thank you for existing and cheers to moments with you. To my ever supportive friends, thank you for rooting me on every journey I walk into. To those who have encouraged me when I haven't felt like being myself. To my ever supportive duo, Wendell Bonani and Christine Lombre, I am beyond grateful to both of you for always lighting up my mood in everything. Whenever I felt not okay, those memories we have made, I always cherish them. Never a dull moment when I'm with both of you. To this lovely couple, Maria Teresa Bretigin and Rafael Danyas, thank you for always being there to listen to my academic runs and problems. I truly appreciate you for always being by my side. To my team kingers, I would like to express this sincere thanks to these people for believing in me and always giving me that little push when I'm hesitant to do something. I can't thank you enough for all your unwavering support. To my team rides, thank you for always being there during my lowest moments. Little did you know that you healed me every time we hung out. I couldn't ask for more. I'll be forever grateful to the universe for letting you guys into my life. To my staff 03, we may not be in the same section, but our goal remains. A goal to finish this course together. Those moments we spent together have a special place in my heart. To all my classmates from sections 02, 03, 04, and 05. Thank you for the memorable experience and the memories this semester. I have given the chance to meet and get to know you all. College life may be challenging, but you guys made it all bearable. To all the proud parents and guardians out there, thank you as well for your never-ending support of these students who are here, for standing behind them and supporting them as they achieve this incredible achievement in their life. To my fellow top 10 awardees, I have no doubt that you reached this achievement of yours. You worked hard of it and you deserve it well. Every effort and sacrifice you exerted has finally paid off. This event would not have been successful without the efforts of our faculty members, program heads, to our team, and to the guest of honor speaker. Ma'am and sir, thank you for your undying support for these awardees. As I conclude this moment, I want you to turn back and look for your parents and wave to them as a tribute for supporting and guiding you every Congratulations to all such strong awardees. Let's enjoy the rest of the day as a once-in-a-lifetime celebration. Thank you, and once again, good morning.
Thank you so much, Vic Vincent Hor. And now, to do the honor of introducing our guest of honorary speaker, let me call in our Perno Campus Program Coordinator, Dr. Harry Santiago B. Achas. A round of applause, please.